Hey everyone, Crazy Canuck coming at you from Saskatchewan, Canada. Well, we went from minus 40 wind chills up to almost melting, and we're going to be back down to minus, I think, 22 degrees Celsius tonight. Grand solar minimum weather. So this is part B of the Vanity top renovation here. I picked out a piece of live edge material for the backsplash. I've ran it through the planer, got it all straightened out, sanded off the live edge here. I'm just going to give it a final sand, and for that I'm just going to mark with a pencil to make sure I got everything. I've taken it down to 120. I've got 220 on the sander. I'm going to sand it off, and then I'll put a couple coats of varnish on it, give it a quick sanding and a couple final coats, and it'll be ready to install. So I'm going to get this sanded down, and I'll be back. Alright, so I took this down through the grits, started at 80, went up to 220, did a couple coats of varnish on this, and I like to use a latex varnish. It dries really quick, works really well. Everything's varnished on all sides just to seal it. And now that I got the varnish on, that's a nice color there. I'm going to start at 120, go to 220, and then give it a couple more coats of varnish and install it. So we'll be back. Alright, I've finished the backsplash boards, all varnished up, cut, and placed. I've located the studs, and I'm going to attach them with 2-inch brads. One right about here. Pull in the corner as much as I can get in there. Same on this. Yeah, nice and even. I know I've got the studs marked right there. And there you have it. Now I'll run some silicone in here, or translucent caulking, tighten everything up, seal it, mitered the end corners here, left it just a little bit back from the edge, and now it's time to put the sink in for its final position. So I'm putting a bead of silicone around the edge, dropping the sink into place, and then siliconing around the edge of the sink. I'll be right back. Well, everybody, there you have it. It's all done. I decided to put new taps in and stuff like that. So sink is all siliconed. So it turned out pretty good. Spalted tamarack, book matched with live edge backsplash. Looks a lot better than the tile that was there before. So that's it for this project. Stay tuned for more. And as usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll talk soon.